Take a moment to check out the 2019 Hyundai Elantra. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. This energetic and feature-packed Elantra delivers the style and convenience you need to make driving a soothing part of your busy day. From its sculpted modern looks to its refined ride and tech-savvy approach to safety and infotainment, this compact sedan represents an exceptional value. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Bluetooth connection, electronic stability control, traction control, tire pressure monitoring system, daytime running lights, auxiliary audio input, cruise control, power windows, AM/FM stereo, power door locks. Be inspired to drive your best life in this smart and stylish Elantra. Come in for a fun and easy road test. Our team will make it the best part of your day.